Snowfall came in springtime. Close friends let me down. When it all had settled, you were still around. I guess you'd always been there, simply standing by. I hadn't seen you clearly in the corner of my eye. With all the love you'd never spoken, you were holding it inside to help me find my way. And I might have never known it, but you'd been careful all this time, just saving up for a rainy day. When you walk from a wreckage, you find out who you are, stranded under a night sky full of falling stars. Then you start to learn about the real strength we've got, and how the clearest stones are underneath the deepest rocks. And all the love you'd never spoken, you were holding it inside to help me find my way. And I might have never known it, but you've been careful all this time, just saving up for a rainy day. And life has greater clarity than it ever did before. There's pain with that reality, but I've learned through it all. All the love you'd never spoken, you were holding it inside to help me find my way.